Hello, in this video, I'm sharing with you an update on my plan to build a sales team and a sales system. We are on day 31, day one being the first day where I hired my team of appointment setters. And let's get into the data. So we've been able to send 4,000 connection requests so far, of which we got accepted by 25%. So we've been able to send 1,000 outreach message, leading to a number of conversations, which only led to one call being scheduled, which was the same schedule 20 days ago. So no success for the past 20 days on setting up appointments. So we are in what we call the valley of despair. When you start something new, a new initiative, a new project, you go through this learning phase where at the beginning you've got a lot of enthusiasm because you're learning a lot, and then you're not getting results for a long time. So that's where we're at today. But let's look at the wins. There are still some wins I want to share with you, because to last in this game, it's all about collecting the wins instead of seeing the gap ahead. You just look backwards and you see how much progress you've been doing. So the progress, one win is we've got much higher visibility on what's happening because we've set up a CRM system. So now every person that responds and that has some level of interest, we can track them and we can have visibility in those sub stages here. So we can get better at managing conversation. Another win, we've onboarded a more senior appointment setter who's been really helping setting up and taking control of the pipeline. So that's great, really positive. The team is getting better at managing conversations. They get into more meaningful conversations. So we're getting data, we're getting feedback and positive responses, even though prospects at the moment don't see the value in having a call with us, which is really down to us being able to provide a clear statement of what is our value proposition. So we've got to get better at this. Another win is I've seen an increase of number of opportunities from my existing network. So this is one new channel of acquisition that I'm setting up, but since I started this activity, I've been relying mostly on my network, on my word of mouth and referrals, and this has been increasing, even though that's not really related to this work. Another win is we've been able to set up an email campaign infrastructure so that we can send some emails. Sending emails takes a bit of time because you have to warm up your emails so that your emails don't go into the spam folder of the people you're reaching out to. So there's a bit of work to do, and we've done it. So that's great. So in terms of next step, I think the key priority is to be more focused, more niche, to have a more targeted message, something that speaks a bit more to the people we reach out to, less generic. Then we have to really test our outreach message to collect some data to see which one works best so that we can iterate a bit faster. I've been running with the same message for 3 weeks where we could have changed if I had the data and then more training on conversation handling. It's all about, how to show value very quickly, how to be very clear on our value proposition and propose something, a guide, a lead magnet, something of value to our prospect very rapidly because, then we're going to ramp up the email campaign and do more content creation. So that's it for my update. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any question, any suggestion, feel free to message me, send me a comment, and I'll see you in the next update. Thank you. Bye-bye.